In a stunning blow to American industry, Boeing has halted production after China banned all imports of US-made aircraft and parts, a direct response to new US tariffs. This move severs Boeing from its largest international market, sending shockwaves through the global economy and threatening tens of thousands of jobs. The company, already struggling to recover from past safety scandals, now faces an existential crisis. Boeing's assembly lines in Everett and Renton have fallen silent, symbolizing a crisis that extends far beyond one company. As one half of the world's commercial aviation duopoly, Boeing's shutdown leaves a vacuum that can't be easily filled. Suppliers across the US face devastating order cuts, and the global aerospace sector is thrown into chaos. The halt isn't just a corporate setback, it's a warning sign for American manufacturing and global trade. For Boeing's workforce, uncertainty and anxiety now replace the steady rhythm of production. The fate of this iconic company now hinges on the outcome of a high-stakes US-China standoff. This crisis began with the Trump administration's aggressive tariffs, 145% on Chinese goods, meant to protect US industries. China retaliated with its own tariffs and, crucially, a total ban on Boeing aircraft and parts. By targeting Boeing, China struck at America's largest exporter and a symbol of US innovation. Tensions had been building for years, with Boeing's position in China already weakening after the 737 MAX crisis. The new tariffs gave Beijing the excuse to formalize a split that had been coming. China also imposed export controls on rare earth elements, crippling key US tech and defense sectors. The result: Boeing's production lines are grounded, and the economic interdependence between the US and China has turned into a battlefield. The ban is more than tit for tat, it's a strategic move to reshape the global balance of power. American industry is now caught in the crossfire, with no easy way out. The world is watching as the US-China trade war claims its biggest corporate casualty yet. China was Boeing's single largest growth market, projected to need nearly 9,000 new planes over 20 years, worth $1.2 trillion. Losing access isn't a setback, it's an existential threat that shatters Boeing's future growth strategy. Billions in completed jets now sit undelivered, turning assets into liabilities and deepening Boeing's financial crisis. Meanwhile, Airbus is poised to dominate, with hundreds of planes scheduled for Chinese delivery and a massive backlog. The ban cements a permanent shift. Chinese airlines will forge long-term ties with Airbus, making Boeing's return nearly impossible. The 737 MAX disasters opened the door for Airbus, the trade war slammed it shut. Boeing loses not just sales but its strategic position in global aviation. The dream of a balanced duopoly is over. Boeing is now locked out of the world's fastest-growing market. Boeing's production halt devastates its workforce. Tens of thousands of skilled jobs are at risk. The pain ripples through a vast supply chain, threatening thousands of American businesses that depend on Boeing orders. For many suppliers, Boeing is their lifeline. The shutdown could mean bankruptcy and mass layoffs nationwide. Airlines, too, are hit hard. U.S. carriers face indefinite delays for new fuel-efficient jets, raising costs and slowing growth. International airlines must turn to Airbus. But with its backlog, global fleet renewal slows, stunting industry growth. Emerging markets may have to scale back expansion plans, limiting economic opportunity and connectivity. The crisis turns a trade dispute into a personal struggle for workers and communities. The human cost is measured in lost jobs, stalled ambitions, and diminished global mobility. All of it traces back to the silent assembly lines at Boeing's factories. The Boeing crisis and US-China trade war have rattled global markets, wiping out $1.5 trillion in US stock value in a single day. The dollar plunged, and investor confidence evaporated, fueling fears of a global recession. China's export controls on rare earths have exposed a critical US vulnerability. These materials are essential for tech, defense, and manufacturing. American and European companies now face production slowdowns, revealing dangerous supply chain dependencies. The World Trade Organization predicts US-China trade could collapse by 81% this year. Ports are seeing freight traffic plummet, and retailers warn of shortages and rising prices for consumers. This isn't just a Wall Street problem, it's a crisis that could hit everyday Americans with inflation and empty shelves. Economists warn the trade war could trigger a global recession, with manufacturing and investment grinding to a halt. Even Airbus could feel the pain as airlines defer or cancel orders, deepening the downturn. The Boeing shutdown is a warning. Economic conflict can spiral into global pain. With Boeing sidelined, Airbus is the clear winner. Chinese airlines are now sending all new orders to Europe. Airbus gains a decade-long production backlog and the resources to widen its lead in innovation. Meanwhile, China accelerates its push for aerospace independence with COMAC, its state-owned jet maker. The C919, a direct rival to the 737 MAX, is now mandated for Chinese airlines, giving COMAC a protected home market to scale up. COMAC stockpiled Western parts before sanctions, keeping production on track. China is also marketing the C919 abroad, targeting countries eager for alternatives to Western jets. The global aviation order is shifting. For the first time in decades, a third major player is emerging, backed by China's economic power. The trade war, meant to protect U.S. industry, may have created a formidable new competitor. Experts and officials are sounding the alarm. This standoff is unsustainable and damaging for both sides. China demands a full rollback of U.S. tariffs before talks can begin, leaving little room for compromise. A brief suspension of some sanctions offered hope, but the Boeing ban remains. A negotiated settlement would require major concessions and political will, but entrenched positions make that unlikely. If diplomacy fails, the U.S. risks permanently losing its leadership in aviation as China accelerates its own aerospace ambitions. Even if the ban lifts, Boeing may find the Chinese market transformed, dominated by Airbus and a rising COMAC. The stakes are enormous. The future of Boeing, hundreds of thousands of jobs, and global economic stability hang in the balance. This crisis is a stark lesson in the fragility of global trade and the dangers of economic brinkmanship. Only wise diplomacy can prevent lasting damage and restore confidence in American industry. Without it, Boeing's silence may become the new normal in a fractured world.